today is our last day in Tokyo. As you can see from our last night, it got pretty wild with the robot show. But that was our last night again, as I mentioned, and now we are gonna head to Osaka. We're at Tokyo Station, which is massive, and we are gonna head to Osaka from here using the bullet train, the Shinkansen. Alright, this station is massive and we're getting hopelessly lost. So I think we're just gonna go to one of these restaurants because we're hungry. Not traditional breakfast, but maybe more like a soba or udon. Found this tiny little noodle shop in the middle of Tokyo Station. It's pretty good. Got some udon, which we haven't had yet, which is surprising. But anyway, hopefully this re-energizes us, wakes us up, and we still have about over a half hour before our train ride anyway, so we have some time. All right, let's head to Osaka. We're a little bit hungry right now because we haven't eaten in about 5 hours right before the train ride over here. So we went over to the Namba area, specifically the Dotonbori section of Namba, where they have all this street food out here. We're just gonna try a little bit here because we don't want to eat too much because we're gonna meet our friend a little bit in a few hours for dinner. So we're just walking around this Dotonbori area, and it's crazy how busy it is. There's so many people everywhere, but there's just as many shops to go along with it. There's food stalls everywhere, most of them takoyaki, which is the little octopus balls, and a lot of ramen stands. So it's really cool so far. We're just gonna try a little bit of everything, I think, we can try. First up is takoyaki right here. Alright, next up is this grilled crab over here. Oh, it's pretty good. Been looking forward to some eel. Just look at that. It's so good. One of my favorite foods is actually just eel in Japan. Eel with a little bit of rice. Alright, next up is some grilled squid over here. A little firm on the firm side. The sauce isn't bad. I mixed it with some green onions. Not bad. Next we got some of this, I got this crab, and they put some cheese and some other stuff on it. I'm not really sure, and probably got some scallops over there. I've never had anything like this before. That's not half bad. Oh wow, that's really nice. Today we're getting Kobe beef, and this is the moment of truth. True Kobe beef. This is the good stuff. Oh my god. Literally melt in your mouth. Oh my god, so good. The first three were trying to be like, okay, that looks really good. This one is completely different than the others. So good. Alright, a little sad. We are at our last 3 pieces here. I'm sad that was our last bite. We were thinking of ordering more, but we don't want to ruin this amazing moment.
Actually, that was a great experience.
Alright, so I guess what we order is the best of the best, 8.5s and back of the beef, Kobe beef, if I didn't mention that already. So, still amazing. I don't even know where to go from here. Where do we go from here, Fred?
Re-examine the 20,000 pictures that took.
What are we gonna do? Re-examine the pictures and videos? I don't even know.